Welcome to the slow bloom, a place where time softens, where the noise fades, and the soul begins to listen again. In this world that moves too fast, where success is rushed and silence is feared, we forget something essential. That all things worthy and wild take time to bloom. The oak does not rush its roots. The sun does not rise in haste. And your spirit is not meant to race. You are not behind. You are not late. You are simply growing at the pace of nature. There is beauty in becoming, in the stillness between who you were and who you are yet to be. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. The slow bloom is not about waiting. It's about remembering. Remembering that peace is power, that love has no deadline, and that the most radiant blossoms are rooted in the deepest stillness. So pause, breathe in deeply. Feel the quiet between each heartbeat. This is your sanctuary, a sacred moment, a gentle unfolding. You are not here to rush. You are here to rise, slowly, deeply, powerfully, like the bloom you already are. Welcome to the journey. Welcome home.